ओके, सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी ट्रिकी इंटरव्यू जावास्क्रिप्ट क्वेश्चन। मेरे पास एक ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसमें ग्रीट फंक्शन है एंड इस पे मैं पहले तो मैं ये नाम लॉक कर रहा हूँ और फिर मेरे पास एक इनर फंक्शन है, उससे मैं ये नाम लॉक कर रहा हूँ एंड मुझे इसका आउटपुट बताना है। For the first statement, it is printing hello, my name is Alice. But for the second one, this is printing inner function, my name is undefined. Now, ये क्यों हो रहा है? Because the inner function I'm calling from inside the function, and according to this concepts of JavaScript, if any function is not called as a method, then उसमें that this always points to the global object, right? So इसमें do not think कि ये inner function तो भाई मेरे function के अंदर है and this function is a method of person, so this will bound to the object. No, you're wrong. This inner function is being called normally as a function only, and it is not being called as a method. While the greet is being called as a method. Hence, when I'm calling this function, this greet function, इसमें this का object, this का जो scope है, that is becoming person. But for the inner function, that this is staying as a global object. So to fix this code, what can I do? I can just simply change this function to an arrow function. Arrow function में this का कोई खुद का definition नहीं होता है, and it picks up the this of the parent object, parent function और parent scope. इसमें parent function में this क्या है? This है object का value, and मैं अभी इसको run करूंगा. तो both my outer function as well as inner function will return me the value of Alice. For more such interesting quick questions, please subscribe to my channel.